Key features of SAS for data science: data management, advanced analytics, visualizations. SAS offers powerful tools for data cleaning, data transformation, and integration from multiple sources, ensuring that data is prepared for effective analysis. Advanced analytics tells us that software provides a rich source of statistics and machine learning algorithms, enabling data scientists to build predictive models that uncover complex patterns in data. Visualization: SAS offers advanced visual analytic tools that help interactive exploration and visualization of data, making it easier to convey insights to stakeholders. Data management in SAS involves efficient handling of large and diverse data sets. SAS provides tools for data integration, cleaning, cleansing, and transformation, which ensures data is organized and prepared for its analysis, and is a crucial step to maintain the data quality and its consistency throughout the analytical process. In advanced analytics, SAS is renowned for its advanced analytic capabilities. With the help of wide array of statistical procedures, machine learning algorithms, and predictive modeling tools, SAS empowers datasets to extract valuable insights from data. Whether it's regression analysis, clustering, or forecasting, SAS provides the tools needed for sophisticated analysis. For visualizations, SAS Visual Analytics is a powerful tool for creating compelling and interactive visualization. Data scientists can use SAS to translate complex analytic results into clear charts, graphs, and dashboards. Visualization facilitates the interpretation of data patterns, which makes it easier for stakeholders to understand and act upon the insights derived from analysis.